Hi, this is Melanie B from Bead and Bones. I get a lot of messages every day from you guys, and I'm always happy to share my information. And one of my biggest questions that I get asked all the time is, how do I handle stamping, and how do I do like a lot of stamping all at once? How do I get them really straight, and how do I not waste material? So I'm going to show you one of my favorite tools today. This is a 1/2 ton arbor press that I purchased on Etsy from TheSupplyGuy. It already comes with this part. If you go and find just regular old arbor press, it won't have this part. This is the thing that makes it specifically designed for stamping, and it's going to accommodate most size round stamps at the top here. You just flip this bar around. Or most square stamps here, which is the side we're going to be working with today. You can also, this block comes in handy for if you're going to switch out your stamps a lot, but it might not always be the handiest for like if you're working on larger pieces. So this does lift out. You can replace it with another block that's just square, or say like if I'm working on a much larger piece, I could use a much larger block. And any of those are totally acceptable. So we're gonna do this one today. And I'm just going to show you how this works. I have one of my prints here, and I can see exactly where my stamp is gonna land. And I just wanna make sure it's right in the corner, but far enough away from my seam when I sand it, I'm not gonna lose it. And I just wanna make sure it's straight. And then all I do is push down on this lever. And you will see that that gives me a very beautiful, clean, perfectly straight mark. And I could do a whole border of these. I could stamp 100 of them really fast. But the big thing here is that it's going to save a lot of your time, your energy, your material, and most importantly, the two things you can't replace, which are your hands.